papi, ¿qué le pasa, tío? Let me get a pack of backwoods and some lottery tickets.
What do you want? What do you want? Blue.
Cat is an NPC. Yeah.
Okay.
Don't even love me. You just want my snacks.
I bet this one lied on his resume as a domestic helper.
What are you doing?
Show him how funky and strong is it.
Hard.
Oh, there you are.
I say stay the same, it is fine.
Coco, the door's open. Just walk in. The door's open and go walk in.
Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today, the ultimate husky tantrums are shown.
Oh my god, he's got a knife.
Я, конечно, все понимаю, но, товарищ Тарас...
What are you two on? Hey?
I don't know who you are and who you belong to.
Oh my god! What is that?
Discount. Joy. Discount.
You are not allowed on furniture. Maggie. Parker, look what she's brought you.
Work smarter, not harder. Well, maybe just harder. Did those pups make you smile? Like and subscribe for your daily dose of funny. See you soon.
Good protector.
The level of optimism we should all aspire to.
Чихи гоняет добермана.
You gotta stop it. I wanna watch this stuff.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What?
Cat is in here screaming. I'm trying to figure out where she at. Why are you up here? What?
Okay, but what else? Okay, you gotta calm down. Okay.
Let me get a pack of backwoods and some lottery tickets.
Hey, Mom, I'm telling you right now, you better pack your bags, you're out of here. Okay?
No.
She knows you can't say no to a fluffy belly.
Vamos a dormir. Vamos a dormir. Vamos a...
The doctor said,
Hey.
Just the road is.
God damn. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God. What?
the doctor said, the level of optimism we should all aspire to.
Or in the pool.
Sally, dude.
Oder was? Ey, du musst das so rausholen, Gusti. So ist Mist.
Eh呦我天！
Ooh, there's a belly slap.
Did that drama make you laugh? Like and subscribe for more. See you soon.
Time. Take turns. Thank you. Okay, jump. Poor hero.
I bet this one lied on his resume as a domestic helper.
That's how you are when you're a mother.
I'm tired being a mom.
Tired? Had enough?
Oh my goodness.
You are not allowed on furniture. Maggie. You got that. Oh, look at that. You trying to climb up? Is your sister watching you trying to climb up? Come on.
Apollo, come on, let's go. Wanna come in? Apollo, wanna go inside? Okay? No? Just go.
Guys, I saw little Crypto. Superman must be sending him for groceries.
Ketchup. And some mustard.
The big boy bed. Toby's in the baby bed.
But he's happy about it.
He didn't just bring the rings, he gave the guests a private NASCAR experience.
Okay, see, there's cars right here watching. Yeah, they're not very race cars.
Is it a dog or a fluffy ostrich? I'm confused.
Okay, see, there's cars right here watching. Yeah, they're not very race cars.
Cat is in here screaming. I'm trying to figure out where she at. Why are you up here? But
Hobby, he's gonna take that downstairs. That's not yours anymore. It's for the babies.
Just the road is.
He's testing the structural integrity of the house.
Come on. Come on. How'd she get up there? Oh, that's how.
Does he have the wrong shoe on? gonna pull his fist in. Cause I'm stepping down inside. Six to my kid.
Omongin dong.
I'm so happy.
Good boy. Good boy. Right.
No. No. Oh.
Stop smiling. This is not funny, Chico. Chico.
Nina.
Someone thinks he found a sentient feather duster.
Насадим. Два плюс три, сколько будет?
You're so cute. Oh. Oh, be still, my.
Parker. Look what she's brought you. You.
Watch it.
Bring it down. Bring it down.
Молодец. Ай, молодец, Хлоечка.
What did you do?
What did you do? What did you do?
Daisy, 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 peanut butter.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
If I throw it away, they won't know.
You are demented, you are also a little bit delusional, and perhaps even a bit more derelict. I think we all need to look at the definition again of demure because...
Katie, get that.
He's like, you see.
Milo, I have something to tell you. You're adopted.
Hey.
Боже, як дитина старається, який молодець.
Blanket Burrito has accepted your humble offering.
Hi! Hi!
Meets Funny. Get ready for the clumsiest and most chaotic puppies. The play button doesn't press itself. Human.
미안해. 원래 산책하면 발을 씻어야 되는 거야.
Did those pups make you smile? Like and subscribe for your daily dose of funny. See you soon.
Get ready for your close-up? Ask your doctor if Julia is right for you. Visit our website for savings on larger size. The cold truth is...
No.
Blanket Burrito has accepted your humble offering.
smiling.
Ty is a big humper. He's overstimulated.
You can go in the car and go to the doctor.
Понюхай его, понюхай.
Are you a cool dude at the pub? Are you a little cutie at the pub? With a beer?
Кто это испортил?
Not everyone understands that quality control is a full-time job.
That's how you are when you're a mother. I'm tired being a mom.
Tired? Had enough?
Oh my goodness.
Get ready for your close-up? Ask your doctor if Jublia is right for you. Visit our website for savings on larger size. The cold truth is...
Oh my god, oh my god.
Not tumbling, he just identified a more efficient way to travel.
Are you ready for bed?
Get my couch cushion out of your mouth, please.
Pickle poppy,
Pearl.
Hey, come on.
Check out those hops. Are we sure he's not part bunny?
Stop it. Hey, stop it. Okay. One.
What did you guys get? Where's Eddie? I don't know.
How'd that haircut go? Did you get a good haircut from your friend?
moment, no neszczęsny, który się pochwali, no pochwali.
Я, конечно, все понимаю, но, товарищ Тарас...
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Not tumbling, he just identified a more efficient way to travel.
Oh, 这什么玩意儿？回来！
That's not a blanket, that's a £50 security system.
Why you biting my shoes? Why you bite them? Yeah, you...
Michi!
Watch the shitty grass.
You're such a cutie.
How'd that haircut go? Did you get a good haircut from your friend?
Oh, no, no.
Hannah.
Ketchup. And some mustard.
Look at those tiny paws working overtime. Art said, ball is life.
Question for everybody. Who wants to go to the Four Seasons Orlando?
You are going to go.
Making chicken, and look who's at the table. Waiting. You're waiting at the...
What are you doing? Oh, what are you doing? Oh my goodness gracious. What do you think you're doing? Hey, what did I say?
Whoa, dude.
You're so cute. Oh. Oh, be still, my.
Pearl.
All I see is a floating dog.
Whoa!